That is intense. Alright, it is, what's today's date? Like, I don't even know the date.
It's the 9th.
The 9th of 2011? January, yeah. And it is super freaking...
Yeah, I think the snow turned into ice.
Yeah, you're right. Let me see. Dude! Dude, this is all freaking ice.
Holy shit.
It's not even hard snow. I mean, it's like...
Yeah, it's like...
It's ice.
Yeah.
Man,
Well, it was like freaking cold all night.
that is pretty intense. Oh, dude, I mean, it's like not even usually how you usually like crunch on snow. This is like uber hard. Man.
Did Dad go somewhere?
Dad went to work.
Oh,
Dang. That is really... Huh? I know. Look at the woods. Oh my gosh, it is insane. Look at all that. Snow. All over the place. It's cold as crap though.
that's why the freaking snow like ice.
Golly jeez. Man, it's like times like this, it just brings back memories like insane.
Oh, it's like I'm gonna... Oh, dude, that's a lot of snow. My whole foot's in there.
For real?
Look at all of it, man.
Dude, oh my gosh, look at that.
So,
That is a lot of snow. Let me see something for a second.
just go like...
Oh, then there's the window. Oh, I don't like that. That is a lot of snow. Man. Yeah, you're right. Didn't even make it all the way through.
Dang, dude. I can't even pave it.